years.
10 years.
10 years of PyData Amsterdam.
10 years.
10 years of PyData Amsterdam.
We're super excited that we are hosting the conference days in the Chromat Hall in Amsterdam North.
It's all about knowledge sharing, about the latest trends and tools within data and AI.
I've always looked up to PyData, and now specifically in Amsterdam, it's incredible getting to be here and give a talk. It's like a pinch myself moment.
We're very excited to welcome over 1,000 attendees from more than 30 countries coming to Amsterdam to celebrate our 10 years anniversary.
I'm super excited to be back for the third year in a row at PyData Amsterdam. It's definitely hands down one of my favorite conferences overall, and I'm super happy to be back next year.
It's really cool to see all these people from all over the world, from all over different companies, industries, all that stuff coming together, united by Python. And it's 10 years PyData Amsterdam.
10 years!